Hey guys, today we're going to solve systems of equations by graphing. We're going to start by finding the solution of the system using a graph, and the system will be y equals x plus 1 and y equals 2x minus 1. If your equations aren't already written in slope-intercept form, you want to make sure you do that first. As in this situation, they both are. So we're going to start by graphing our first equation, starting with our y-intercept and then our slope. The y-intercept of positive 1 and a slope of 1 will rise 1 and run 1 to the right. This will be our line for y equals x plus 1. Our second equation, y equals 2x minus 1, will have a y-intercept of negative 1, and we will go rise 2 and run 1. We want to see where do these lines intersect. We see that they intersect at a roughly 2, 3. We then test this coordinate pair by substituting both equations separately. So we are going to have y equals x plus 1 be replaced with 3 equals 2 plus 1. Simplify the 2 plus 1 to being 3, and we see that this does check out. Let's try the second equation. Y equals 2x minus 1 will become 3 equals 2 times 2 minus 1. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. This also checks out. So my solution of the system is 2, 3 as a coordinate pair. Let's go ahead and take a look at when we have systems with an infinite number of solutions. Again, we want our equations to be in slope-intercept form. Our first one is, so we can go ahead and start graphing. Y equals 3x plus 1, a y-intercept of 1, and we're going to rise 3 and run 1. This will be my line for y equals 3x plus 1. For the second equation, we need to get this into slope-intercept form. We're going to begin by adding 6x to both sides to get my variable of x on the right side. Our goal to get y by itself. We're going to be left with 2y equals 6x plus 2. We then want to get rid of the 2 away from the y, so y is by itself. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. We divide by everything. We will get the result of y equals 3x plus 1. You may notice this is the same equation as the first, and this will make the same line. When equations form the same line, the system has an infinite number of solutions. And that is our solution. Let's take a look at when a system has no solution. Here, they both are in slope-intercept form, so we can go ahead and begin by graphing. Our y-intercept is negative 4, and our slope is 3, so we're going to graph at negative 4 on the y-axis and go up 3 and over 1. For our second equation, we're going to have a y-intercept of 3, so we're going to go up 3, and then we're going to rise 3 and run 1. As you notice, these lines are parallel. And when lines are parallel, they will never touch, so this has no solution. If you have any other questions on graphing, I would advise you to take a look at my video on slope-intercept form. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below. Please subscribe and have a great day.